Hello everyone, how's everyone going? My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I wanted to share with you how you can actually get free traffic to your affiliate marketing products or offers and to earn ongoing recurring commission, right? I have been on doing online business since 2017, and now I'm into recurring income affiliate marketing program, right? Initially I'm still till this day doing YouTube automation channels. I have multiple YouTube automation channels. So if you come to YouTube, you just need to type in Sanjeev Chand, as that's my name, and you're going to see a lot of videos that I create on a daily basis. And if you go to my channel, you'll see my exact results, what I have been able to do just through YouTube automation business, and just by YouTube automation and all the skills that I have learned over time. Now I'm also doing affiliate marketing, and most of my traffic is free traffic, right? I'm generating through YouTube, and this day and age you don't even need to pay for any ads. I know there are a lot of people talking about like Facebook ads, Bing ad, and solo ads, which is mainly popular. And but on this specific video I wanted to share with you how you can use free traffic on YouTube and from YouTube as well at the same time, and also be promoting your affiliate products, right? So YouTube is a huge platform, right? YouTube is owned by Google, and we have like millions upon millions of visitors coming to the platform just to watch videos. Some of them they come for entertainment. Mainly, some of the time, people they also come for education. So how can we take that and get the free traffic and push them towards whatever offers we're trying to promote, right? So this video will be a complete tutorial of how you can actually go about earning from YouTube and at the same time build your recurring income online business, right? So the very first thing that we need to do is find out what is something that people are actually looking for, and it doesn't has to be anything got to do with affiliate marketing. This is something that mainly people make a huge mistake. They just come on YouTube and start to actually make videos about affiliate marketing, right? But we need to find ways how we can actually get people's attention, right? That's the main important thing, how we can actually get people's attention, and at the end provide as much value as we can, and at the end just tell them what you're doing, like tell them I'm making money online, and if you're interested into making money online, just click the link in my bio, and that way you'll see how I'm actually generating 6 or 7 figure income from my online business, right? So what we need to do is just find faceless channel. What I mean by faceless channel, these channels, like I'm showing my face in front of the camera, I'm like a branded channel, right? But faceless channels is like people pay creators, video editors, voiceover artists, thumbnail designers, and they create the video for a owner of the channel. And pretty much these channels are collecting revenue from YouTube AdSense, right? So I'll give you a perfect example of this channel here. It's in a motivation niche, right? And these channels are actually, what they're actually doing is pretty much they're doing motivational videos, and they're uploading, I'd say, every 2 or 3 days. But he's actually getting so much free traffic, right? If you see all their video, how much traffic are they actually getting? 30,000 views, 34,000 views, 60,000 views, 21,000 views, right? And this channel is collecting revenue from two different sources. So he's collecting revenue from YouTube AdSense, and he's also collecting revenue from promoting his affiliate marketing business, right? So I'll give you a perfect example. So this channel is mainly making videos about Andrew Tate, because at the moment Andrew Tate is like really blowing up. Back then used to be Steve Harvey. We got TD Jakes, right? So he's not so much focused about what speaker he's actually using, but he's following the trends, and at the same time he's pushing traffic to a affiliate products that he actually offering, right? So at the moment this is something that he's doing that's like really smart. If you click on this video, right, I'll move my face here. You'll see that he's actually getting paid with the ads, right? That the ads actually the ad is just paying him, right, through YouTube ads, right? And if you skip, you'll see here, look at these guys. Get lifetime access to all 15 plus Andutide course, link in description and comments. So what does that tell us? That tells us there's actually a audience, and how can we push this product to those audience. Like, this is a very, very niche way that he's building in his channels, and being very strategic, in a very smart way he's doing this, right? Because this audience is mainly focused into Andrew Tate, and if he recommends the courses or program to those people, there's very, I'd say about 99% of the time these people actually click the link in the description, right? So if we go in the description section and if we click on this, you'll see where this page opens, right? You'll see the page opening here, right? You see this, and this is Andrew Tate's program, right? So you got different things that he's selling here, and if someone buys it, this channel will actually start to earn that recurring commission, right? Ongoing commission, right? He's earning free. Like, we don't have to go out there and pay anyone anything, right? He just creating the video himself. This video doesn't take that much time to create. You can actually create this video, probably takes him like 1 hour or so, half hour, because this video is just Andrew Tate. Most of the time Andrew Tate is just stagnant. They're actually using just thumbnail throughout the video, right? But sometimes he uses like stock images, and he just creates the video himself, right? All the speech is from Andrew Tate, which is actually getting from YouTube by itself, right? So that's how he actually is making money using YouTube, and he's getting paid in two ways, like YouTube ads, and he's also getting paid with the affiliate products that he also recommending in the description section as well, right? So I'll also show you another channel who is actually doing the same method. So if we go to Make Money Online channel, right, and see what other people are actually doing, right? Because all these people are actually also recommending their own products inside the affiliate, as an affiliate, right? So some channels are just purely relying on AdSense, but most of the time people are recommending whatever products they have, and they're recommending people to go to that product. And good thing about this sort of niche is this niche will always be in high demand, right? Like, if we click on this video here, you'll see that this guy is, he's recommending his products, services, right? And if we go here, there's a link, and if you click on that, you'll go to his offers, right? So that's the way that you actually earn income from both ways. You earning from affiliates, and also earning at the same time YouTube partner program, right? So this is a very easy way for anyone to go out there, start creating content, and you have to start to make substantial amount of money, right? And it doesn't need to be that hard. And what they're doing is, you can just go out there and just model what they're doing, right? You can just click on their video and see how they're actually making their videos, right? Very easy. All you have to do is just provide the value that they're offering, which is just awesome. And I love to do this. Like, I have built channels just to promote make money online niches, and recommend the products and services, which is just awesome. And people are interested into doing these kind of things. Like, look how much views is she getting, like 4,000 views, 650. These are real people actually coming on YouTube just to find solution. And what you need to do is just keep providing value, right? And sooner or later, these people actually buy, and you will earn income, right? End of the day, that's what we want to do, to earn income. And this is a very easy way for anyone out there, right? If you have some maybe 1 hour a day, you can just make videos, promote your affiliate thing, and just look for what actually people are looking for, and then you can provide the solution to them in that video. And that way you can just get traffic into your offer or affiliate thing. People will just buy from me because they know you, they like you, they trust you, and they always be having a lookout to like what are you actually offering. And that way they can go ahead and buy your products or services and whatever things you actually offering to them, right? So this YouTube platform, there's like billions of people on YouTube. So you just need to create videos like this and answer people, provide value, and at the end of the video you just say, if you like this video, click the link in the description to see whatever I'm doing, right? So again, thank you so much. My name is Sanjeev, and my God bless you all. Bye for now.